Okay, gold has broken out today, and today is August 28th, 2017. If you've been watching my video, you would have known that in the last few weeks I've been suggesting that should keep a close eye on gold because looking for gold to possibly make a move. Because of the fact that we're looking at this long-term trend line here. This is a multi-year trend line, and we're saying that gold is making a breakout of this trend line. That could be very bullish. And as you can see that a few weeks ago it broke out of this trend line and start making its move toward this pivot high here, somewhere above the 1300. So we're saying that setting up for a break in the last video, and you can see that it broke out pretty hard today. And right now we're essentially looking for the next level somewhere around 1324.80 and possibly get up to this spike high here. Essentially we're looking for somewhere in the 1400 if it's going to continue to make this move up, okay, for gold. And if we take a look at the GLD, which is the ETF, again we essentially saw the breakout today. It coming up to this 124.76. I believe it was a few cents shy of that level. Basically the high is 124.73. So we continue to monitor for this level to be broken and make its way up toward this 131.15, this pivot high here. And then if we look at a couple of the gold miner ETF, the GDX, as you can see on the GDX, essentially we got a low break here, right? Got a low channel, essentially measuring this. Right? You can look at this as a double bottom, or you could looking at this as a trading band here. But the key is it broken out of the these resistance level, this baseline. So right now we're essentially looking at this level here as a next potential target, 24.88, and then possibly make up to this pivot level here, so 25.71, and this would be a 100% major move on this channel here, this trading band. And if we take a look at the GDXJ, the junior gold miner, similar type of price action, and we're essentially looking at the break above this pivot here and make a move up to this level or somewhere around the 38.57. Right now it's looking at this 35 break, and today it closed at 35.20. And if we take a look at the 3x, this is the 3x. So you can see that it also try to get up to this level here to make a move, and potentially getting up to this 40x61. Okay, now 3x is basically a trading ETF, so don't try to hold on to this. And same thing with the junior NUGT, the 3x of the junior gold miner essentially. So you can see that this thing is trying to make it up to this upper level here on this channel or this trading band. Okay, and if break above that, then we're essentially looking at to see could it get up to somewhere near the 28 level, and the break is somewhere. Let's see what the high on this here is, 21.80. Okay, so there is a low gap here at 22.28. Okay, and if we take a look at a couple of the gold mining stock, ABX, Bear Gold. I see that it broke out of this. You can look at this as a inverted head and shoulder pattern, and here's the 100% major move. Also, you got a gap here at the 1821 and 1882. Okay. And if we take a look at AU here, again, this is just coming off of the bottom here. So you might want to look at the price action here, maybe find an entry point where you get a low risk. Essentially, it will be looking at setting up anywhere below this pivot low here would be your stop point. So and then basically play it up to this pivot high here, and then see could it break above that and make it toward this major move here. Okay. So and then we have AUY here. Okay, again, this is basically book this baseline here, and the this is a low price one, and essentially looking at this 319 and 365 as potential target. Although we have a 100% move, major move here based on this low breakout channel here. Okay, and then we have see what else we got. Newmont mining. Okay, you can see that got a little bit ahead of itself. It almost did a major move here on this particular channel here. Right? Okay, so you know, so it's almost came up to this 39 level, this 100% major move. So look for a retest at this level here, and then maybe look for entry to get a break above this level, and possibly get up to this level here, somewhere around the between 41 and 42. Okay. Right. So, and that's basically it for the for some of the gold and the gold miner, and hopefully you caught some of those. If it's not, don't chase it. Wait for a little bit of a pullback from the breakout today, and look for some trade location to get in. So watch your risk. The market is still a little bit shaky right now, and although on my weekend video I had said that allude to the fact that the bounce could be coming, but you know, we could get a little bit of a pullback before you know, basically another dip before it get a bounce. We could see that before that we might be able to be a little bit more safe on putting some long, but for now it's still pretty iffy, so I would be still continue to be in a cautionary mode. Okay, good luck, and hopefully your trading is going good. Have a nice evening.